Hi there, Trevor here. I'm going to go over how to install PowerShell core on openSUSE Leap. This will also work for Tumbleweed. So, first thing we need to do is go to the Microsoft PowerShell website, and they have a list of directions there. docs.microsoft.com. So here on the Microsoft PowerShell core website, they have a list of instructions on how to install PowerShell on openSUSE. The only thing is that when you go through it, there are a lot of things that break and that aren't supported. So let's bring up terminal. We'll paste that in. So you can see we have libc url4 for the package library. Now, if we go through and try and install PowerShell with the way they have it, we're going to end up with an error that will not allow us to use PowerShell. So we'll just go through this step by step as they have it. So we're going to go ahead and install PowerShell here. So we're going to do it via package repository, and we're going to get an error here. But we're first going to do this step by step. And password for the root user. Okay, so we've added that. Now let's add the repository. So when we go to try add the repository, you can see that we immediately get an error about arguments. Nice way around that is to use yast, and we're going to add the repository. Okay, so we want to go to software repositories. We want to add, specify URL. We're going to call this PowerShell 6.1. Paste the URL. Not digitally signed. We going to use it anyway. And you can see here's all our repositories and whatnot. So we're going to go OK. We're going to do the zipper update. Yes. So you can see it's getting all our PowerShell repositories. This will just take a minute. Alright, now that we've updated, we're going to install PowerShell. So, it's using a Red Hat Enterprise package, so we're going to ignore the dependencies. We want it to download all the additional options. This will just take a minute. Alright, well now with PowerShell installed, we're going to start PowerShell. PWSH. So, we come up with an error. No usable version of libSSL was found. So we're unable to launch PowerShell. And the fix for this, we go into YAST. And we want to do a search for openSSL. Where's that? Where is that? Here. Gas modules, here we go. We want add-on products. Alright. We want to that's not. Is it Software Manager? Yes, I want Software Manager, and we want to find openSSL version 1. Here we are. So we'll get libopenSSL 1.0, 32 and 64-bit, I believe. And we also want openSSL-1. No, we don't. Okay. So we want to accept, continue, and it's going to download, and we'll come back once it finishes. Alright, so after running through all those updates, we can now launch PowerShell, and you can see that we're successful with the ps/home administrator. And we can verify that with some PowerShell commands. So what I've done here is I've run the get help name get process, and you can see it runs through all the syntax and everything you need for the get process. And then here I've run the get-help name get-star, and comes up with all the PowerShell core commandlets, and that's just where I canceled it. So we'll just paste that down. You can see everything's there, and we know we're in PowerShell because of the PS right here by the home administrator. So now we can allow for execution policies for PowerShell, remote login, SSH, and anything else that we may want to do. And that is how you install PowerShell 6.1 on openSUSE, Leap, and Tumbleweed. Thank you for watching.